Organize. The word organize is a verb that means to arrange or put things in order in a systematic way. It involves planning, coordinating, and structuring things in a logical manner to achieve efficiency and effectiveness. Organizing is an essential skill in various aspects of life, including personal, professional, and academic settings. Here are some examples of how organize can be used in different contexts. 1. Personal organization. I need to organize my closet and sort out my clothes. Let's organize our schedule for the week to make sure we have enough time for all our tasks. She is very organized and keeps her desk neat and tidy. 2. Professional organization. The project manager needs to organize the team's tasks and deadlines. We should organize the files in the office to make them easier to find. The conference organizer did a great job of organizing the event smoothly. 3. Academic organization. It's important to organize your notes before studying for an exam. The professor organized the lecture into different sections for better understanding. The students formed study groups to organize their study sessions and share resources. In all these examples, organize is used to imply arranging or structuring things in a way that promotes order, efficiency, and clarity. It involves breaking down tasks, setting priorities, and creating systems to manage resources effectively. To summarize, organize means arranging things in a systematic and orderly manner to achieve efficiency and effectiveness. It is a skill that can be applied in various aspects of life, such as personal, professional, and academic settings, to improve productivity and clarity.